Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your WhatsApp status not showing. So let's get started right away. Just go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application first. Now within the application, you will find the status menu at the middle. Just go ahead and tap on it. And now you can add a new status by tapping on the plus icon. You can also tap on the pen icon at the bottom right corner and then type your status. Now before you make your status public, you will find the visibility option at the bottom left corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can select who can see your status updates. This is selected to My Contacts by default. But in case you have the third option selected, then your status might not be visible to everyone. So make sure that the first option is selected and then tap on the Done button. You can then type your status and then tap on the Send button, and now your status will be visible to everyone. And if this still doesn't work, then this might be because you are using an older version of the WhatsApp application. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Then simply search for WhatsApp, and then if you tap on it and see an update button, then this means an update is available. So go ahead and tap on it and wait for the update to install. Once the update is installed, you will see that your status is now visible to everyone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix status not showing on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.